Hey everybody, welcome back to day 2 of individual fitness. I hope your first day of quarter 4 classes went well. Today, video is going to be a lot shorter, so stick with me here. I'm going to jump right into it. So here we go. Welcome back, day 2. This one made me laugh a little bit. Today is going to be your first workout as a class. So if you're watching this video, you're already off to a good start. For today's workout, there's going to be a warm-up, a workout, and a cool-down. All right, and you're going to do them in that order. So for your warm-up here, you're going to complete all 5 exercises for 1 minute each. So you're going to do jumping jacks for a minute, front plank for a minute, bodyweight squats for 1 minute, arm circles for a minute, and mountain climbers for a minute. Okay, so it's a 5-minute warm-up right there. After you're done with this, grab a drink, stretch it out, and get ready for your workout down here. All right, so to complete your workout, you're going to complete all the exercises from left to right and then do it again 3 times total. So you're going to do 12 calf raises, 10 bodyweight squats, 8 push-ups, 6 jump squats, and 4 burpees. Okay, that's 1 round. You're doing 3 rounds. So then you're going to go back and do it all again, left to right, and then all again. Okay, 3 times. That is your whole workout. Should take you about 10 minutes, probably. Maybe a little more if you put in some breaks. For those push-ups, you can go down on your knees to make them a little bit easier. Jump squats, if you want to just stick to a regular squat, you can. And then the burpees there, you don't have to go all the way down to the ground. All right, go at a pace that is comfortable for you. All right, if you want to make it more challenging, don't take any rest in between sets. After you're done here, grab a drink, then you're going to stretch on your own. So you're going to work on your breathing and slowing that down. All right, so your heart rate probably got elevated during that workout. So slow it back down and then stretch the muscles that you just used today. All right, so you used a lot of them. You're just going to sit there, stretch for 5 minutes. After you are done with that, you're going to answer the discussion questions for today. Make sure you answer them in complete sentences and submit by midnight tonight. So if we click here, okay, at the bottom is your exit ticket. So click here, it should take us to the discussion page. So the first thing it says is answer these questions in 2 to 3 sentences to get all of your points. So 1 sentence answers will not count. So you just need 2 to 3 sentences per bullet point here. So sometimes I ask you 2 questions just to try to help your thinking. So you don't need 2 to 3 sentences per question within a question, if that makes sense. So for question 1, what is your experience with exercise and do you enjoy it? So just talk about, do you work out often? Do you not work out? Do you not like it? Do you like it? Do you play sports? All that kind of stuff. If you want, can go into question 1 right there, 2 to 3 sentences. Down here, what was your favorite exercise from today's workout and why? Maybe it felt good. Maybe it was challenging. Maybe you'd never done it before. All those reasons can work. And then what type of at-home workouts are you hoping that we do in this class? Do you want to follow some YouTube videos, more cardio, resistance training, yoga? Okay, what kind of stuff are just you guys hoping to get out of this class? 2 to 3 sentences there. All right, once you post that, you are done for today. Okay, that is your April 15th exit ticket. Remember that we're going to the materials here every day and going in this way to our folders. And that is how we are finding our assignments. If we are just going to the gradebook, we're going to be very, very confused on how to find what is expected of us. All right, so make sure you're still going through every single day. Let me know if you have any questions.